How to open an HSBC bank account online in the UK. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to open an HSBC bank account online in the UK. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for HSBC Bank. Now, scroll down and tap on the bank account option. Now, before moving on to the signing process, you will have to take a note of a few things. You will see the How to Apply button here, tap on that. Now, to apply for HSBC bank account, the first thing that you have to make sure is you are 18 years or older. Next, if you allow a credit check against your name or not if you live in the UK. Next, you will have to provide ID and proof of address. And lastly, you will have to consider the documents required to open the account. Once you have ensured the following requirements, scroll down and now tap on the appropriate option for you. That is, select if you are applying for a sole account or if you are applying for a joint account. I will tap on the sole account option. Once again, you will be shown with the eligibility criteria where you have to make sure that you are not an existing HSBC customer. Next, you are aged 18 years or above, and next, you are currently in the UK or any one of the countries shown on the screen. Now, talking about the information and documents you will need for the application. First, your addresses for the last 3 years. Next, your employment details. Next, your income details, and lastly, proof of your identity and address. Once you have entered about the documents, go ahead and tap on the Confirm and Start button. Now, enter your personal details, which includes information such as your email address, your title, your first name, your last name, and many other details as such. Once entered, tap on Continue and follow the on-screen prompts further by entering all the required details, and your account will be opened successfully. So, this is how you can open an HSBC bank account online in the UK. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.